Hello everyone, my name is Cassie, sales manager from HEAD Waterjet. Today I am very happy to introduce the new design, the high-level high-pressure pump. It is the 500 MPa pressure and it is also the 72,000 psi. It can realize the cutting materials under the 200 mm to the 300 mm thickness, and it also have the main important advantage for this pump. The first one is the fast cutting speed. Second one is the high cutting ability. The third one is the long using life. The fourth one is the fast, quick response. Today we will show you the pump part by part, one by one, and in the details to show you every part. Thank you so much. This pump, the first advantage is the faster cutting speed. The cutting speed exceeds that of the ordinary high-pressure pumps, which can help customers to improve the processing efficiency. The second advantage for this pump, it is the high cutting ability. Normally, the standard 420 MPa pump only can cut the materials under the 150 mm thickness. But the new design, the 500 MPa pump, can realize the cutting ability under the 200 to the 300 mm thickness. The third advantage for this pump, it is the long using life. The intensifier is upgraded to 22,000 psi, which use the fuel communications to achieve rated pressure and flow. The seal life is increased by 53%. which effectively helps the customer to save the cost of use. The fourth advantage for this pump, it is the quick response. It has the 8 sensors which equipped with the operation data monitoring function. It can collect and analyze the operation status for the machine in real time, accurately grasping the key parameters such as the pressure, flow rate, temperature, and the warn of the abnormal situation in time to effectively avoid the potential failures. It improves the operation efficiency, reduces the unplanned shutdowns, and lowers the maintenance cost. We will improve our technology ability to meet your high cutting needs. And please send us inquiry and place the order. We will try our best.